Hey everyone, I'm Jay Scotto, a solutions consultant at Copy.ai, and today I'm going to take you through some brand voice fundamentals. So as you can see on the screen that I'm sharing here, I'm in my team space, and at the bottom left of the nav bar here, I'm going to click on brand voice. And within brand voice, we see I already have one here, but how do I create a new brand voice? So in the top right, there's a new brand voice button. I'll click this button, and what you see here are some instructions and a text area for content. So it says write or paste content that reflects your brand voice. And for best results, really we see between 50 and 500 words to be good. You can use a little bit more than that and still elicit the same results. In terms of content that we recommend to create good brand voices, we recommend, about us pages. If you're a company and you have an about page, could be blog posts, could be social media posts, mission statements, any other website copy. For this one, I'm going to make a brand voice on Copy.ai, and I'm going to do it off of some snippets on our website. So I'm going to take this one on our homepage. I'm going to take this one on our blog page. And I'm going to take this one on our email marketing page. So right now we've got about 100 words. I could add more or less content, but in this case, I'm just going to click Analyze Brand Voice. And what Brand Voice is going to do is analyze the content that I've given it and generate a brand voice for my particular brand. So in this case, we see that the Copy.ai generated voice, I won't read through it all here, but as you can see, it's generated a voice that is innovative, efficient, empowering, and forward-thinking. And when it says to write for this brand, emphasize the transformative power of AI in simplifying tasks and driving results, highlighting things like time saving, productivity, boosting benefits of the product, clear and concise language, active verbs. So really what we've captured here is a way to write exactly as I want. And you can imagine the value of this as you have different voices that you might want to use for different types of content that you might want to create. So in this case, I will call it Copy.ai marketing. And so I'll save the brand voice. You can also make it the default across the team space, but I won't. And some tips for editing brand voice to right here. Make sure not to use negative commands. So we don't want to tell the AI what not to do. We want to use explicitly positive commands. So be courteous instead of don't be rude. And for best results, you can iterate on this analysis, right? So you can capture things, you can add more or less content. Feel free to iterate on these to make sure that you've got the exact brand voice that you want. So I'll come down here now that I've named the brand voice. I'll click Save Brand Voice. And now you'll see it's right up top here, Copy.ai marketing. So let's go to chat and see that in action. So I'm going to click on the plus sign here next to chat and create a new project. So what I can say is write me a short paragraph about the power of generative AI workflows in digital transformation targeted at businesses. Cool. So we have this paragraph here, welcome to the next frontier of digital transformation, pitching somebody as, future focused professional, making sure that they understand incorporating generative AI workflows. Well, let's change the brand voice and change it to Copy.ai marketing. And so rewrite the above paragraph. Also rewrite the above snippet with brand voice divided. And so here we see the language very much being improved. So harness the exceptional prowess of generative AI workflows, your ultimate arsenal in the driven, radically evolving landscape of digital transformation. So immediately we have much, much better content just by using brand voice, and it's all written in the voice of Copy.ai marketing. And so this is just one example of how you can take generated content from good or okay to great and effective. If you have a moment, leave some comments below. We look forward to your feedback.